how to check your spending limit on the Atome app. If you don't have it already, you want to download the app from the App Store or the Google Play Store and just log into your account. Then the third step will be going to your profile or account. You want to tap on Me or Account, which should be found at the bottom right of the app. To check the spending limit, in the account section, you want to look for your available limit or spending limit. This shows the maximum amount you can spend using Atome for your purchases. Some users may also find it under the My Wallet section or a similar financial section. To track your remaining limit, if you've already made purchases, your remaining spending limit will be displayed, showing you how much you can still spend. Adjustments and notifications, your limit may change based on your payment history and usage. Atome might notify you via the app if your limit is updated. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.